here. I hope you'll enjoy watching this video and find something that you can use, because I believe in sharing. I'm not a pro, but I always find creative ways to work with what I have. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. And why not join our Facebook group and share this? This video is rated E for everyone. For this video, please open a tab to removebg.com. Okay, let's get started. We're going to put a couch in here. Now, sometimes furniture that you find on the web has backgrounds to it, so we need to remove it. So you're going to go up here to Insert Image, search the web, and we're looking for a leather couch. This one's okay, but I wanted leather, so let's keep looking. All right, so I'm going to insert that leather couch, but it has a background. So I'm going to use my snipping tool, and I'm going to cut this image out. Now you could save the image as it is without cutting it out, but I like to use the snipping tool. And then I'm going to go to removebg.com, and I'm going to upload the image. And this is great for accessories, purses, everything. You'll get to see that en masse. Okay, so it has removed the background, so I just download it to the computer. Click on download. And then I'll go back to where I want to put it, and then I will go back to insert an image, that icon at the top. Upload from the computer. Click on where the icon is. And it's in my scene without the background. And so I'm going to speed it up a little bit. I am going to put the floor lamp back. There's a couple other things that I use Remove BG to get in here. But I know that you guys have seen all those wonderful, wonderful, cool looking themed rooms, like the Mickey room. And then there's the Llama Llama room. And there was Clifford the dog room. So they've gotten all of their resources by removing backgrounds if they had to. Now, sometimes things come with a transparent background like that lamp did. But if they don't, you have an option to remove it. Now, what I do notice is that you have to make sure that whatever you're removing the background from is in the forefront and it's very clear in the picture, whether it's a white background or a black background. Just make sure that there is contrast between the object and its background, and then the program works perfectly. So let's speed up. So I want to show you this image with the black background. So here's a vase with flowers that I want to use. So I'm going to save this image to my computer, and then I'm going to upload it into Remove BG. It did take a moment to think about it, and sometimes it processes it a little bit longer, but you can see without a problem. There you have it, even on a black background. Just make sure that whatever item that you want is in the forefront and that all of it can be seen really well. that it's not blacked out in some places and light in some places. That's where the software tends to have a little more trouble capturing if there's a lot of shadow because it can't tell the difference between the object and the shadow. Okay, so I'm gonna drop my Bitmoji in here by clicking on the Bitmoji icon at the top of my screen. That's what it looks like. Then I'm going to drag and drop it from the list of poses. Remember, you can type in pose or you can type in photo and it will show you all the different poses without all the words. And I'm going to size it in here. And then let's speed up. I give her a purse. I put some books in there. I think on the intro one I had a mask, so you can do all of that. So have fun creating, and thanks for watching.
If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe.